Hey, welcome back. 3 months ago, Sony launched their 2020 smartphones, the Sony Xperia 10 Mark II and Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. The mid-range smartphone was Sony Xperia 10 Mark II and a high-end flagship smartphone as Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. Now, Sony launched the Sony Xperia 10 Mark II in Taiwan, and Sony confirms the pricing of Sony Xperia 10 Mark II for Europe and UK. And the smartphone is performing very well in the market. And for a mid-range smartphone, the smartphone is coming with a very good camera set. Now moving to Sony Xperia 1 Mark II, the flagship smartphone from Sony in 2020, it is coming with a 6.5-inch cinema-wide 4K HDR OLED display with 21:9 aspect ratio and motion sense technology, which is equivalent to 90 Hz of display refresh rate. And the phone is coming with all the latest and greatest specs of 2020. At the inside, you are getting Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset with 5G support. And talking about the RAM and storage options, it is coming with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 1TB. The smartphone is IP68 certified, that means it is dust and water resistant, and it is also covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 6. And talking about the battery section, it is powered by 4000 mAh battery which supports fast charging, wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The main highlight of Sony Xperia 1 Mark II is its camera section, and it is coming with a triple camera setup at the back. As the smartphone is not in the market right now, so we don't know how the camera performs in real life. But a pro photographer, Nick Didlick, was using the smartphone for a couple of months, and he shares his experience of Sony Xperia 10 Mark II camera section. And here we go. He claims that Sony Xperia 1 Mark II is coming with most advanced camera technology in the market right now, and it feels like you're holding a real camera in your hand. And we all know that Sony Xperia 1 Mark II camera is co-developed by Sony Alpha 9 engineers, the engineers who make Sony's high-end cameras. And Nick also said Xperia 1 Mark II is also coming with Photography Pro app with functions such as ISO control, shutter speed and white balance. And all these functions were previously found on professional cameras. He also said at 20 frames per second, Xperia 1 Mark II with its Zeiss Optics 12-megapixel sensor enables photographers to capture heart racing moments in an instant, plus real-time eye autofocus technology for both humans and animals, which achieves beauty and precision by locking onto the eyes. And Sony Xperia 1 Mark II is coming with a dedicated camera button, and Nick said this is one of the best features of Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. And at the end he said Xperia 1 Mark II puts industry-leading capabilities in photographer's hand, as it is built with Alpha series technology. So guys, that's it for today's. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you tomorrow.